So in this video we are going to discuss about how to sort a NumPy array. We will cover following things. We will cover one-dimensional array and two-dimensional arrays, and I will explain how to sort numeric arrays, text-based array, Boolean arrays, and how to sort arrays in a reversed order. So let's start with one-dimensional array, and the elements of the array is numericals. Okay, so let's first import the NumPy. Now let's add a seed in the NumPy so that even if we run the notebook cell multiple times, every time we are able to reproduce the same results. So let's set up the seed. Okay, now let's initialize a random array. This array will have elements between 1 to 100, and we are going to generate 10 elements in this array. So how we are going to do it? np.random.randin range between which you want to generate the number and how many numbers you want to generate. So we want to generate integers between 1 and 100, and we want to generate 10 integers in this array. So let's assign it to a variable unsorted array. We are going to print this unsorted array. Okay, so you can see we have generated random integers between 1 and 100, and there are total 10 integers. Okay, now if I run this cell again, you will see every time we are going to generate the same series. Why that's happening? Because we have set a seed. Once seed is set, NumPy produce the reproducible results. Okay, now let me comment this line. Now let me run it. You see the series has changed. Again I will run it, again it has changed. So whenever you are doing some experiment, it's a good idea to set a random seed. Okay, now the array won't change. So we have the unsorted array here. Now to sort this array, we are going to use the function np.sort. So that's the function to sort some NumPy array. So let's see how it works. So define a variable called sorted array, and we will assign it the value np.sort. Give it unsorted array. Now let's print it. Print sorted array, new line, sorted array. Okay, so we are already printing the unsorted array. Okay, now we are going to print the sorted array also, and let's see how the result looks. So what mistake I did? Okay, I have 3 R's here. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, now you can see this is unsorted array. Numbers are coming in random orders, but here the numbers are in sorted form, 10, 12, 41 going up to 96. Okay, so that's how you can sort a NumPy array. Now let's see how we can sort the text arrays in NumPy. So I'm not going to type the code because that is going to take more time. Let me quickly show you the code that I have already written. I have already tested before. Okay, so I'll explain you what I'm doing here. I have defined a text-based NumPy array. Okay, nothing is in order, like in some order. So apple which starts from A is coming after mango which starts with M. As soon as we sort this array, everything will be alphabetically sorted. So NumPy, when we sort the text-based array, it sort them in a alphabetical order. So let me show you the results. Okay, you can see the sorting has been in alphabetical order. Now let me show you how to sort the Boolean arrays. So let me show you the code for sorting the Boolean arrays. Okay, this is the code. So you can see true and false are coming in not in any order, but when we sort it, Numpy will first put the false and then later it will put the true. Okay, let me show you the results. Okay, you can see false come first and then it comes true. Okay, so that's how Boolean sorting works. So now let's see how the sorting works in two-dimensional arrays. So you can see I am defining a two-dimensional array where there are 2 rows and 4 columns and the number of integers are generated between 1 and 100. Okay, so let me show you how the result looks and then I'll explain why it's happening. Okay, so this is our original unsorted array. Okay, when you sort it, by default Numpy sorted for a given row. So as you can see, it took this whole array, these 4 elements, and sort them. Okay, then it took the second row and sort the second row. So that's the default behavior in two-dimensional arrays. The sorting happens along with the row. Okay, now if due to any reason you don't want sorting at the row level, you want it at the column level, so what you can do is, when you are calling this sort function, give the axis equal to 0. Axis equal to 0 means column. Okay, so here the sorting won't take effect on the rows, the sorting will be on the columns. So we have 2 rows and 4 columns and the sorting will happen like this. You can see 45, 77. 45 is the lower element, it comes first, then 73, 96. Okay, again 73, 96, 20, 80. 20 is the lower one, it will come like this. But here look at this, 11 and 1. Okay, 1 is the lower one, so 1 will move up and 11 will go down. So if you ever want the column level sorting, this is the way to do it. You give axis equal to 0. Now if you ever want to do sorting in a reverse order, so by default the sorting happens lower element first and then it keep on increasing towards the higher side. Okay, if you want to do the reverse of it, you want to sort basis higher element first and then it should move to the lower side. So for that you need to remember this function, flipud. Okay, so you first do the normal sorting. Okay, it will sort from lower to higher and then you flip it, so it will become higher to lower. So that's how you do reverse sorting. You can see this is the unsorted array. The highest element in it is 84. So first you sorted from lower to higher, then you sorted, then you did the flipud which reversed it. Okay, so the 84 came first. Okay, that's how you reverse a Numpy array.